Hey, this is Chap Noah. How would you like to get your hands on 3 affiliate niche websites for 100% free? All you need to do is fill in your name, your email address, and click Claim My Free Niche Websites, and that's it. $290 in value for these 3 websites, plus I've picked the 3 top niches right now that are out there that people are making great affiliate commissions right now with sites just like this. Not to mention, I'm giving you 100% free giveaway rights and private label rights, so you can do whatever you want with them. So starting today, if you want to, you can start making money right now. No money that you have to put down, nothing like that. I am setting you up for success, okay? The training that I have for you is going to set you up for success in every area. Marketing these websites, setting up these websites, everything that you need to do, we've got it all together. What I want to do is I want to scroll down here so you can see what you're going to get, okay? So you got a camping affiliate niche website. If you click right there, it'll take you right there. It'll load up right here in a sec. Here it is. Okay, this one's got 12 articles right here. Most articles at this quality are around $20. So obviously that's about $240 just for the articles, not the graphics, anything like that. So you're talking even greater value than what I'm even saying. But I just wanted you to see the quality of this site, okay? You are getting this 100% free today with private label rights and giveaway rights, okay? The next one right here is Cooking Fitness Affiliate Niche Website. We'll click on that right here so you can see it. I believe this one has over 20 articles to it. So you're talking about over $400 just in the articles that have been written. You can see the quality right here. You can edit these, like I said, in the members area. You're going to get all the information of how to change all this stuff and how to set these sites up. So don't worry about that. You can just see the quality of this. You know, you're literally you're saving a ton of money because you're not spending any money. But let's go to the next one right here. All right, weight loss. Weight loss is huge, obviously. People are always looking at ways to lose weight, okay? So let's click on here. This one's over 20 articles too, so you're talking over $400 just in the articles that were written. And like I said, you can see the quality again, okay? So what I want to do is I want you to have success at setting up these sites, making money, and whatever you want to do, build a list by giving these away, whatever it is you want, because like I said, you get 100% free private label rights with us, okay? So let's keep scrolling down here, okay? In the members area, you're going to get a how to install these affiliate niche websites in the members area, so you can do all that, and it will be very, very simple to understand. I walk you right through setting up one of these so you can easily do this. Then what I want to do is I want to give you some WordPress training. We have a site that you can go to, wplearning101.com. If you don't know WordPress that well, this will teach you and allow you to know how to use WordPress, so then you can actually set these websites up. You get this 100% free also. I'll click right here just so you can see it right here. It's going to load up here in just a sec. All right. Just taking a little time. My computer's being a little slow today. All right, so you can just see right here, watch the video right here, just read a little bit about what you're going to get, but basically it's 31 videos that's going to teach you exactly what you need to know on how to set up a successful WordPress website. And then since you'll know how to do this right here, then obviously you'll be able to set up your sites that we're giving you today for free with great success, okay? So let's keep scrolling down here. Right here, we got an ebook that we're going to give you right here that's valued at $27, okay? 10 profitable affiliate programs to monetize instantly. Okay, so this is going to help you understand how to do things with your website, to monetize it, and to make some more money, okay? All right, the next one right here is 10 must-have affiliate tools to optimize your business, okay? This is going to just let you optimize things to make sure that you have everything set up with these sites the right way so you can have great success with this business that you're setting up, okay, with these sites. All right, 6 strategies to increase your affiliate sales. This is going to help you a ton because, like I said, most people have no idea where to start, and these are 6 strategies that are going to let you brainstorm and see really what you can do and allow you to take things to the next level, okay? So you can come down here also too, and you can check out what people are saying about this also, about these websites. These niche websites are so powerful. People are literally making tens of thousands of dollars every single month from these sites. And like I said, I'm giving you these today for free in some of the top markets right now that are doing great, that people are literally at this moment start making 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,000 and up with these sites. And like I said, you know, I keep repeating myself with this, but you're getting private label rights and you're getting giveaway rights with it too. So you can make money in, you know, selling them, make money building a list, meaning selling to people, whatever it is you want to do, okay? So like I said, all you need to do, fill in your name, your email address, click claim my free niche websites, and you will get your 3 beautiful and wonderfully made niche affiliate websites that you can sell and give away to build your email list. Again, this is Chaperonova. I'm so excited for you. I'll see you in the members area. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.